Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wired, and today I am at the grand launch of Lenovo. The killer is back. Yes guys, so Lenovo is back with its Lenovo K9. So this is how it looks like. So the highlight of the phone is AI powered quad camera setup, and in this video we'll see a quick look of the new Lenovo K9. So friends, this is the all new Lenovo K9. The killer is back, as Lenovo says. So the phone looks quite attractive. Design and looks are really eye-catchy, nice. The glass is, back is very smooth, and the phone's size is very apt as per, you can just see how well it gets in. It is not at all heavy in the hand. That's another good thing about the phone. And let's talk about the hardware first. So it has 2.5D curved glass design. And the highlight of the phone is the quad camera. So on the top you have this earpiece and flash along with the two cameras. And the back also we have this dual camera setup. So both sides it's a 13 plus 5 megapixel setup along with flash. So that's the major highlight of the phone, and is in this price point giving a quad camera and another good feature, which is the C-type charging port, and then you get the speaker grill, mouthpiece, and the 3.5mm audio jack. The fingerprint sensors are also quite fast. It's just 0.3 seconds. Here you have the splitted volume button and the power button. Talking about the SIM tray slot, it is a hybrid SIM tray slot. So the screen is a 5.7-inch HD plus display with a 18:9 aspect ratio. The bottom and the top bezels are a little thick, and there is no notch formation here. But then to the phone looks quite good as per the colors are quite vibrant and viewing angles are decent. Let's run through the settings quickly. So about phone, Lenovo K9, and it has Android 8.1 audio out of the box. So it has a 2 GHz MediaTek 6762 processor. So the battery is 3000 mAh. That's a decent battery for a one-day average usage. Along with that, you get a 10-watt charger, which is a big charger, and charges very quickly. And at the same time, there's a C-type charging port. So I don't think so there'll be much of charging issues or battery issues as such. And let's just jump to the RAM and ROM. So you get a combination of 3 GB RAM and a 32 GB internal storage here. So the touch response is quite nice. And let's just come to the camera part, which is the highlight of the phone. So the back camera is a 13 plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup. You have 9 levels of bokeh mode adjustment, and here you get the options of video, photo, bokeh, and panorama. There's flash on both the sides of the camera. Like in the front you have this soft flash, so in the low light also you can click a nice selfies, and it has HDR, so you can just see how a 13 plus 5 megapixel is taking the pictures. So here also you have video, photo, and bokeh. So 0, low, medium, high. So the phone's camera is AI based, and at the same time you can use AI bokeh selfie mode as well. So in this, basically the funda is in this price range, giving quad cameras with AI features and all is a really cool thing for Lenovo, and it is trying to come back in the market after such a long time. Let's just run through some of the pictures I tried to click here at the launch event. So these are the indoor selfies. This is the outdoors, like not exactly sunlight, but yeah, like it was around sunset. There was a filtered light which was coming from outside. So this is the click you get from there. These are some basic selfies. Talking about the back camera, it is working average. So this is the all new Lenovo K9 for you guys. So friends, this is a quick look of the new Lenovo K9. It has been priced at a very aggressive price range of 8,999 and will be exclusively available on a Flipkart very soon. This is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.